So, a particle starts from rest. So, when t is 0, s is 0, and your velocity is 0. And it moves with acceleration a equals 25 minus 10v. Find v in terms of t. Alright, there's our decision made right away, isn't it? It's the v dt. Okay. And then we do the whole 1 over 25 minus 10v. It's multiplication on the, technically you could do this. You could get the t here, bring it up, and then it's been multiplied by the t, and then when you bring it on the other side it's division. Okay? Now, we'll call that 1 to t. Alright, we're going to integrate the two of these. Now we're just about to obtain our first 5 marks. What are we going for? V and t, 0 and 0. We're on 5 marks out of 30. Okay, let's keep going. We're going to use the ln rule for this. Now we have our function up here. So what's the a value? What's the b value? Minus 10. So it's going to be 1 over minus 10, which is minus 1 over 10. Ln a, which is 25 minus 10v. I'm going to do that from, what are we doing that from? V and 0. Okay. And then this part here is going to be t to 0. Is that right? Now let's keep going down. And we go minus 1/10 ln 25 minus 10v. I have to count to 0 as well, don't I? It's going to be minus minus. It's going to be a double minus. So it's going to be plus 1/10 ln 25. Is that alright? And that will equal, when I integrate 1 I get t. And it's going to be equal to t. Now once again, what does the question actually want from me? It wants v in terms of t. Think. Alright. I'm going to get rid of the tenths. So are everybody happy with that being 10t? And this being ln 25 minus ln 25 over 10v. Going to do the subtraction rule of logs, which turns out to be division. So it's going to be ln 25 over 25 minus 10v. I say there's many different ways you can present your answer, if I'm being honest. And then 10t. Get rid of the ln and bring up e. So it's going to be e to the power 10t equals 25 over 25 minus 10v. Alright, cross multiply. 25 minus 10v. Now I could put e to the 10t here, couldn't I? Or I could just divide it back under, couldn't I? So 25 over e to the 10t. You could put that as a negative power, couldn't you, if you really wanted? Just to keep it all in one line, your choice. 25 e to the minus 10t minus 25 equals minus 10v. I'm inclined to divide both sides by minus 10, and what I should get is 25 over 10. What? Oh, sorry, yeah, my bad. Yeah. Is that the presentation it wants, or does it want something else? Oh, it doesn't ask you what presentation it wants. I think it wants 2.5 on the outside and 1 minus e to the minus 10t on the inside. That's the way I'd present it, actually, to be fair. Well, good. Alright, that went for 20. Is that okay? Went for 20 marks. Now, find the time taken to acquire a speed of this much and the distance travelled in this time. Alright, let's start off with the first part. First part's easy money. First part is find the time first, but should be able to find that quite quickly. Just put in 2 points. Now, see our answer here. I would use this one. Why would you use this one? T is pretty much already on its own anyway, isn't it? So what's the V value again? The V value is 2.25, is it? Sorry. So ln 25 minus 25. You said phi is 2.25? Yeah. Which is minus 22.5. Which is ln. It's going to be ln 10 when you're done with that. It's going to be 25 divided by 2.5. And then it's just going to be t equals 1/10 ln 10. And what is 1/10 ln 10? 0.23. 7. You okay with that? Seconds. Thank you, Nick. No, 7. So 0.23 seconds, not 7. Okay. Let's move on to the next part. Find the distance travelled. Okay. Now, find the distance travelled. We could just go for. I'm trying to think now. Did you go for ds dt, do you reckon? Or you can go back for v to v dx? ds dt might be easier here. So what we're going to do is we're going to chop this bad boy here. Excuse me. Everybody see that? Now, your velocity is currently, what's our velocity is? Yeah. We don't want to use v anyway. What was the t value we just got? 0.23. Okay. Our goal is we want to find the distance when the time is 0.23. Everybody cool with that? The s value is 0 when the t value is 0. Replace v with ds dt. Did anybody go back to the very beginning and do phi times the v dx? You did. Did it work out? What problem did you encounter?
I don't know, I just went wrong somewhere.
Alright. Fair enough. I'll probably just multiply this in. Okay, cross multiply. I'll just put the ds on the left. I don't know why, just want to do it. Okay. And then it's really making me work hard for this 30 if I'm being honest. And then 0, 0, s and 0.23. S from s to 0. And what happens when you integrate 2.5? 2.5t then after that. What happens to the power? Stays the same, but divide by the derivative of the power. So it's going to be minus 2.5 divided by minus 10. And what is minus 2.5 divided by minus 10? A quarter, is it? Yeah, or 0. Plus 0.25, yeah, whichever you want. Okay. Square brackets 0.23 and 0. Okay. So we have s on this side, and we're going to have this here. We're going to have 2.5 times 0.23 plus 0.25. 10 times 2.23, which is minus 2.3. Take away 0 plus 0.25 e to the 0. Does anybody have the answer for that? 0 point? And that's the answer in the marking scheme, is it? Yeah, I think so. Grand.